Students, please listen. So yesterday we discussed for a given stoichiometric reaction. For a given stoichiometric reaction, how to write moles ratio, that is moles relation, volume relation, as well as weight relation, isn't it? Students,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
your response is much important. Otherwise, I can't do. Please respond. Okay, na? Easy.
Okay, sir.
Definitely, I hope you can enjoy this class. You can enjoy this class means you don't need to think, oh, previous classes I have not enjoyed. You don't think like that. Enjoy this class means you can solve very interestingly. Then compared with the remaining problems, empirical formula, molecular formula, like that. Okay, na? That is the meaning of that one. The previous classes we are not enjoyed. We are not enjoyed means I can't do anything. Okay, students. So if you take any stoichiometric reaction, how to write moles relation, weight relation, volume relation according to the problem, according to the given equation, we are completed. Okay, now students. Okay, na? One more example I want to give, and that I want to start the questions. What are there in your material? Please observe carefully. This is a familiar decomposition reaction. Decomposition of limestone. What is the name of this reaction now?
Decomposition of limestone.
Decomposition of limestone. So with respect to moles, 1 mole of CaCO3 gives 1 mole of CaO and 1 mole of CO2. Clear? With respect to mass or with respect to weight, CaCO3 molecular weight 100 grams. 100 grams of or 100 kg, whatever you take, gives, this is 56, this is 44. Next, with respect to volume, this is how many moles we have? 1 mole. 1 mole means
22.4.
This is how many moles? 22.4. This is also
22.4.
So, I think you are very familiar about for a given chemical reaction, we can write moles ratio, weight ratio, and volume ratio. So, if you know this, 90% of the problem completed. 90% of the problem is completed. If you know for a given chemical reaction, if you write weight relations, volume relations, and mole relations, 90% of the answer is completed. Only 10% is left. Okay, now students, are you clear about? If any, are you clear about this? If you given any chemical reaction,
Clear, sir.
you can write weight ratio, volume ratio. Clear? Now,
Clear, sir.
now I will discuss some questions in this class. Okay, na? Few questions I want to give homework. Okay, please write down first question. First question. What is the weight of SO2? What is the weight of SO2 formed by burning of? What is the weight of SO2 formed by burning of sulfur? By burning of sulfur in 5 moles of oxygen. In 5 moles of oxygen. This is the question. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. According to the given question, what is the reaction? Can you guess?
SO2 is equals to SO2.
S plus O2 gives us to SO2.
SO2 is equals to SO2.
First read the statement, read the question, you can understand. S plus O2, SO2 na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. S plus O2, SO2. Is it balanced reaction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is a stoichiometric reaction. In that you don't have any doubt. Okay, Nama? Here according to equation. AC to EQ means equation, according to equation. Okay? How many moles of water I have?
1 mole.
1 mole.
1 mole water. So this is a 64 grams SO2. Here I am not taking SO2 moles. Why? In the question, he is asking what is the weight of SO2 formed. Weight means weight
Say
of.
voice is breaking, sir.
Huh?
Voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking, sir. And even video is breaking.
Is this problem for all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So it's clear.
Okay, please once reconnect the internet. No?
Okay, sir.
I repeat, please don't confuse. 1 mole of O2 gives 64 grams of SO2. So this information is not given in question. We have to write your own. That is important. Na? How I am writing this 1 mole according to equation only. Na? How I am writing 64? So 64 means only one SO2 is there. Na? SO2 molecular weight is 64 grams. This is according to equation. Clear, students? So if you write these 2 steps, are almost completed answer. See, 1 mole O2 gives 64 grams SO2. In question,
Explain once again, sir.
Yanama?
Sir, can you explain once again, sir?
Okay,
Your voice was breaking, so that's why I didn't get it.
please. 1 mole O2 gives 64 grams SO2. In the question, how many moles of O2 given? So, if you take 5 moles O2, how much SO2? This is question mark. How much SO2? So this is X. Say for example, it is X. X is equal to 5 into 64 by 1. ಈ ಮೋಲ್ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? 5 into 64 means 320 grams are
320 grams.
of SO2 formed. Any difficulty in this? Okay na? I repeat. First we have to write a balanced reaction according to the given question. So according to the given question, the balanced reaction is S plus O2 SO2. So according to equation, after writing equation, 1 mole of O2 gives 64 grams SO2. Why I am taken here? One is in moles, another one is in weight. According to question, oxygen is given in moles. According to we want to calculate weight of SO2. So that's why one is I am taken in weight, another one is I am taken in moles. Okay, no? This according to equation. After that, this point as it is I wrote, 1 mole of O2 gives 64 grams SO2. If you take 5 moles O2, how much SO2 we will get? How much SO2 we will get? Cross multiplication. 5 into 64 by 1 mole. E mole cancel. So you will get this grams as it is the 320 grams of SO2 you will get. Any doubt in this, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, step by step, you can understand this. Write down one more question. This is also similar to like this. I will give 2 minutes time. Please try to solve your one. I don't want to say equation also. You have to write your own equation. Simple equations only they will give. 1.5 mole of O2. 1.5 mole of O2 combines with magnesium. I repeat, 1.5 mole of O2 combines with magnesium to form MgO. Okay, full stop. Calculate the mass of Mg. mass of Mg that combines with O2. Calculate the mass of Mg that combines with the O2. Please try to solve your one. Equation ಏನಮ್ಮ? Very good.
Sir, 36, sir.
Plus O2 that divides to 3.
Mg plus
2
O2.
mg plus O2.
Sir, 36.
Okay, na? You please balance that reaction. 36 wrong answer, appa. On switch. I don't know. Wrong answer. Please check once. 2 mg plus O2, 2 mg hona? Yenama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you take magnesium according
Sir,
to
120, sir. 120.
wrong. You take magnesium according to equation. What I followed in the previous equation, that same steps you have to write, you will get the answer. Why you are struggling? 2 into 24 of magnesium.
Sir, 88.
Yes, sir.
Adunu wrong. 2 into 24 of magnesium.
Yes, sir.
O2 how many moles according to equation?
1.5.
Equation first is
1 mole. 1 mole.
first according to equation important. After that question. Clear? Why I am telling this many times according to equation? First, if you know according to equation, we have to write. That is the correct answer. 72 grams. Correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Please observe. Why I am telling these many times? What is the necessity to write again? Today, starting class, I wrote CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. Weight ratio, volume ratio, moles ratio. What is the necessity? If you write like that, automatically you will get the answer. That is the intention. You are not understanding my intention.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
2 mg plus O2, 2 mgO. So this is the equation. Okay? According to equation, 2 into 24. Why I am taking not moles? Yakandra question prakara he is asking calculate the mass of magnesium. Clear? So 2 into 24 grams of magnesium requires 1 more O2. Okay, na? See, this is I am reforming like this. 1 more O2 requires how much magnesium? 2 into we already one there. So according to the problem, I changed this data. 1 more O2 requires 2 into 24. Question: how many moles O2 given? Now we have to do according to question.
1.5 mole.
1.5 mole O2 requires how much magnesium? Magnesium. The X mark. X is equal to cross multiplication. 1.5 into 2 into 24 divided by 1. So 1.5 into 2 andre 3. 3 into 24. Next time 3 into 20 60. 3 into 4 72 grams. That's the answer. Now are you clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
This I am expecting answer from your side. Please write down. Calculate the weight of oxygen. Calculate the weight of oxygen obtained from. Calculate the weight of oxygen obtained from 72 kg of water. I repeat, calculate the weight of oxygen obtained from 72 kg of water. From water, how you will get oxygen? Students, any equation?
Electrolysis decomposition.
H2.
H2 plus O2 gives us
H2 plus O2.
H2 plus O2 gives H2O, that is gives formation of water. He is asking how you are getting oxygen from water. Reverse model
2H.
equation.
2H2O gives rise to 2H2 plus O2.
Students, you please don't say balancing numbers. First say skeleton equation. Later you balance. Balance is secondary. Okay, na? H2O gives H2 plus O2.
H2 plus O2.
New balance ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. ಅದು reverse. H2O gives H2 plus O2. Now we balance. So here you given in kg, no problem. You please take according to equation water kg, that is oxygen is also kg, no problem. You will get the same type of results.
Sir, 64 kg.
64 kg, sir.
I don't know. Please check. Very
But
good.
64 kg.
64, okay. I don't know. I have to solve. Very good. 64 correct. I thought. So according to equation, see, for every step why I am writing according to equation, to avoid the confusion. The 2 into 18, sorry, 2 into 18,
Yes, sir.
this kg, you please consider kg. 2 into kg, 8 into kg, H2O gives 32 kg O2. This is according to equation. Clear? Now, see, 2 into 18 gives 32 kg O2. How many kgs of H2O I taken in question?
72.
70
42.
or 72 kg. How much kg of O2 you will get? Cross multiplication. So 72 into 32 divided by 2 into 18. Next,
64.
64 kg.
64.
that's clear. Are you clear now? Friends,
Yes, sir.
one more.
Yes, sir.
What is the weight of oxygen required? What is the weight of oxygen required? What is the weight of oxygen required for combustion of for combustion of 2.8 kg of C2H4. C2H4, you please write in bracket ethylene. 2.8 kg of ethylene, C2H4. So I think you know very well about combustion reaction. You please write combustion of C2H4 and balance, you will get the answer.
Sir, 9.6 kg, sir.
9 point.
6 kg.
Very good. I think. Yes, correct. See, first reaction. Combustion means fixed reaction. C2H4 plus O2. CO2 plus H2. 2 carbons. 4 hydrogens. Oxygen 3 nama. 4 plus 2, 6 there, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, na? According to equation, 28 molecular weight, it is 28 kg. How much oxygen is required, ma? 3 into 32 kg, na? 28 kg required, 3 into 32 kg water. How much C2H4 given in question?
2.8 kg.
2.8 kg.
kg, this much oxygen we require. If you take 2.8 kg, how much oxygen we require? 2.8 into 3 into 32 divided by 28. 9.6 9.6 kg O2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one more?
Yes, sir.
So this is also easy. Please write down. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate undergoes decomposition. Sodium bicarbonate undergoes decomposition gives sodium carbonate, comma CO2, gives sodium carbonate, comma CO2 and H2O. I repeat, sodium bicarbonate undergoes decomposition, gives Na2CO3 and sodium carbonate, CO2 and H2O. Full stop. So up to here, I didn't say any data. Just I am saying NaHCO3 and sodium bicarbonate undergoes decomposition. What happens? I told. So according to that, you have to frame the equation. So based on the question. Full stop. Continuation. If 0.2 moles of if 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate decomposed, 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate decomposed, sodium bicarbonate decomposed, how many moles of how many moles of Na2CO3 formed? How many moles of Na2CO3 formed? This is the question.
Sir, 0.1.
Okay. Are you doing work? Simply you are saying. Working is important. Okay. I don't know. 0.1 maybe. Very good. So equation, please write first according to given question. See? Good balanced reaction. 2 NaHCO3 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O plus
Yes, sir.
CO2. Okay, na? according to equation. It is 2 moles of NaHCO3 gives 1 mole Na2CO3. 2 moles gives 1 mole Na2CO3. So now come to the question. 2 mole NaHCO3 gives how many moles? 1 mole Na2CO3. If you take this is 0.2 mole, this is how much we will get. Yes. X is equal to 0.2 into 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.1 mole Na2CO3. Okay. Here I am taken both are moles. Question is in moles only na. So that's why I am taking moles. According to question we have to take. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understanding is
Yes,
important.
sir.
Okay, na? Next. Write down one more question. How many questions completed? 5 or? Right
Yes,
now?
sir.
5, sir.
That's right.
For the reaction, please write down the question. For the reaction, next question you have to do similar type of question. Write reaction. For the reaction, that is the reaction. If Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 3CO2. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Comma. The volume of carbon monoxide. The volume of carbon monoxide required to reduce volume of carbon monoxide required to reduce 1 mole of ferric oxide at HTP. Is the question. Very simple, ma. So here HTP means volume we have to take as 22.4 liters, sir.
Sir, 67.2.
Okay, na? According to equation. How many moles of Fe2O3 I have?
1 mole.
So how many moles of 3CO I have? 3
3
moles.
mole.
3 into 22.4 I have.
7.2, sir.
Why 3 into 22.4 I taken?
At ST is given.
He is asked volume of CO. Volume means at HTP 22.4 only now we have to take. But 3 moles we have, so that's why 3 into 22.4 liters I taken. So almost this is only question. 1 mole requires 3 into 22.4 DM cube CO. So that's why 1 mole of Fe2CO2 required 3 into 22.4 means 67.2 na?
Yes, sir.
67.2 dm cube CO2. Suppose here other than 1 mole is given, what we have to take? 1 mole gives this many moles, this much volume. So x moles gives how much? X moles requires how much? Cross multiplication we have to do. That's all. 1 mole gives, 1 mole requires 67.2 liters of CO. If you take x moles, x into, that is x is equal to x into 67.2 divided by 1. We will get how much volume we require. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, another question. So this one also you can do easily. What volume of CO2? What volume of CO2 will be liberated? What volume of CO2 will be liberated at NTP?
Normal temperature pressure.
So I will say what is NTP. What volume of CO2 will be liberated at NTP, comma, if 12 grams of carbon, if 12 grams of carbon undergoes combustion, 12 grams of carbon undergoes
22.4 liter.
combustion. See, NTP means it is also similar to STP. Then what is the difference between NTP and STP? STP means with respect to gases, we have to use the term. STP term is used for what? Gases we have to use. NTP is the term we have to use it for liquids, volume, with respect to volume. Clear, students? So that is the difference between STP and the NTP. STP and the NTP relations. STP when we have to use?
For gases.
NTP we have to use for liquids.
Liquid.
See, according to equation, what is the, sir, according to question, what is the equation?
C plus O2 gives CO2.
C plus O2 gives CO2. So according to equation, you have 12 grams, sir?
Yes, sir.
Either how many moles we have?
1 mole.
1 mole means 22.4 liters. So 12 grams required 22.4 liters only. Suppose 6 grams given. 6 grams of carbon is given. How much?
11.2.
How much water we required?
11.2.
Much. 6 grams. How much? Cross multiplication. Okay, na? Question prakara ಏನು 22.4 liter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Please write down. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Write down. Calculate the volume of oxygen. Calculate the volume of oxygen liberated. Calculate the volume of oxygen liberated at STP. calculate the volume of oxygen liberated at HTP from 0.68 grams of 0.68 grams of H2O2 from 0.68 grams of H2O2. See the students, H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. It is dissociated as H2O plus O2. So first balance this reaction. 4 hydrogens, 4 oxygens, 2 plus 2, 4 oxygens. Any doubt up to here? Yes. Okay.
No, sir.
According to equation, the mass system 2 into 34 H2O2 molecular weight 34
Yes, sir. 2 into 34.
H2O 18 plus 16 34 2 into 34 grams gives how much water at HTP? How many moles we are getting?
1
mole.
mole.
1 mole ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು volume?
1 mole.
22.4.
22.4 liters.
22.4.
Okay, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? According to equation 2 into 34 grams gives 22.4 liters. How much H2O2 taken in question?
0.68 grams.
Yes. This is equal to 0.68 into 22.4 divided by 2 into 34. It is 68. Oh, just about. 2 into 34. Just about. 68 amma.
Yes, sir.
0.68 by 68. How much? 0.01.
0.1, 224.
0.224 answer.
4.
Yes, sir.
0.224 liters. Yes, sir.
ಇದು milliliters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ 0.224 liters means 224 ml
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
So in question in options what he given that we have to follow 224 ml. Next.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir, in decomposition.
Huh?
Sir, I have a doubt in decomposition, sir.
Ask.
Sir, can't we write H2O2 gives rise to H2 plus O2?
We can write now. H2O gives rise H2O plus O2. We are
Sir,
writing
no,
now.
sir. Sir, H2O2 gives rise to H2 plus O2 can we write, sir?
No. H2O2 cannot give H2. It gives H2O.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next, write down one more problem. So this is also you have to do your work. Just I will write the reaction. How many grams of NaOH required? How many grams of NaOH required? How many grams of NaOH required to neutralize 12.2 grams of benzoic acid. 12.2 grams of benzoic acid. See, this is reaction one. reaction. Please solve the answer.
Sir, board is blur, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Blue.
Yes, sir.
Board is black.
Board is blur, sir. It's not clear,
Yes, sir,
sir.
it is not clear, sir.
So once you dictate, sir,
Question, huh?
with that
How many,
chemical
how many, grams, how many grams of NaOH required to neutralize 12.2 grams of benzoic acid?
so that chemical equation.
Equation, huh? C6H5COOH. C6H5COOH plus NaOH gives C6H5COONA plus H2O.
Sir, 4 grams. 4 grams, sir.
4 grams, huh? That's correct. So please write according to equation what is the weight of this one, what is the weight of this one. 4 grams, huh?
Sir, 4 grams of NaOH, sir.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
ಇದು 40 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
122 grams required 40 grams NaOH. 12.2 grams required how much? 3x. 12.2 into 40 by 122. 0.1 into 40 is 4 grams NaOH. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please write down this question. Two point 76 grams of silver carbonate. 2.76 grams of silver carbonate on heating strongly it
Sir,
gives a
sir, tell from first, sir, once again.
2.76 grams of silver carbonate on heating strongly gives a residue. Full stop. The weight of residue is observe this question.
Sir, weight of Ag?
Ag 108 atomic weight. Okay, na? Students, silver carbonate formula Ag2CO3. So Ag2CO3 gives on decomposition Ag plus CO2 plus O2. Here these two are gases. CO2 is a gas, O2 is a gas. Means it is not a residue. Residue means only this one. First balance this one. 4 silvers, 2 carbons, 2
CO2.
oxygens 6. There is 6 there, 4 plus 2 6. It is balanced reaction. This 2 into Ag2CO3 molecular weight calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Ag2CO3 Ag atomic weight 108 mark. So 2 into 108 plus 12 plus 48. 60 plus 108 216. 276 276
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2 into 276 gives how much? 4 into 108. Alva? Ide alva residue. Idu eradu gases. Don't consider that too. 2 into 276 gives 4 into 108 according to equation. Enter. Next. If you take how much weight? Ag2CO3? 2.76. How much Ag? That is a residue we are getting. 2.76 into 4 into 108 divided by 2 into 276.
Sir, 2.16.
You have marked
2.16, sir.
2.16 grams of silver. So this is about today's class. So in the next class, we will discuss. Do one
Sir,
thing.
can I give a homework question?
Yes, yes.
Can you give a homework question?
Homework level 2 questions.
Can we solve the similar type of question as in the NEET material as a homework?
These all are NEET material questions only.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because if I say questions from my textbook, what happen again? We have to solve these questions only now. So that's why directly we are doing. Any difficulty in these questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
So that's why you please
So
try level 2
practice.
questions. Limiting reagent problems you don't touch. Tomorrow that concept I will explain. Limiting reagent concept we will discuss in next class. Okay, na? Students.
Yes, sir.
Thank
So
you, sir.
level 2 questions we have to solve. Empirical formula, molecular formula, I don't want to say. You have to calculate your own. Level
Completed
Sir.
level 1 and level 2.
Completed, sir.
say how to,
Completed sir, level 1 and level 2, both.
Okay, okay. Those who are not completed for them, I am telling. Okay, na? So, stoichiometric calculations, if you have time, you please solve. So otherwise, we will discuss later. Next, limiting reagent is important. That we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.